because I love it.
Okay. Don't add your bowl. Hey everyone, welcome to 12 Days of Cookies, day 5 today. I'm hanging out with my friend Trish.
Hi.
And we have never baked before.
I know, I'm so excited.
So we're making history for the holidays, you guys.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
This is not too over. I'm so nervous. I've never baked ever. And now I'm baking with like a legend. I'm like, oh my God.
I love your outfit. It's like green and velvety and it has gingerbread men on it. This was perfect because the cookie that we're making today is like the oldest school gingerbread German cookie ever.
I'm so excited.
Let's get started. So the first step to making these classic cookies is we're gonna candy some orange and lemon peels. So over here in this bowl, they're just little slices of
Are these
orange
real?
peel. Yeah, lemon. They smell so good and fresh.
Can you eat them like this?
Well, I mean, they're gonna be bitter. I mean, you can eat them. They aren't candied yet.
Okay. I thought they were gonna taste yummy now.
No.
I was like, let me eat them.
In a medium saucepan, add the orange and lemon peels, cover with 4 cups of water, bring to a boil, and cook for 15 minutes. Strain the peels and rinse thoroughly with cold water. Then, in a medium-sized saucepan, combine the 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar, bring to a simmer, and add the rinsed citrus peels. On a low heat, simmer the peels for about 45 to 60 minutes. The peels should start to look a little transparent and the sugar mixture should become thick. Now, in a medium bowl, add your half a cup of sugar and using the slotted spoon, scoop the peels out of the hot syrup mixture and let the excess syrup drain off into the pot. Put the peels into the bowl of sugar and toss using a spoon. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Once the peels have cooled, separate them onto a baking sheet and let them dry at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Trisha said these kind of look like French fries.
Oh, sugar French fries would be amazing.
Because a little salty and sweet.
Oh yeah, the best combination.
Aww.
I feel like we're like salty and sweet.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yeah,
You're a little
spicy.
spicy.
Oh, it's a little spicy. It doesn't hurt anyone at this time of year.
Let's try them. Here you go. These little, oh my god.
Oh my God. Oh my God, they're amazing.
These are delicious. Step complete. Now moving on. In this little bowl is the minced candy peels that we made. Now, Trish in front of us is probably the most spices that have ever gone into a holiday cookie. This is all the spices. You know what any of them are?
They all look like varieties of cinnamon to me.
Kind of.
That's all I know. I know this is flour.
Yes, gold star for Trish. So now we're gonna whisk together all of our dry ingredients.
Do I start whisking now or?
Yeah, oh here, add this. Okay,
Oh my gosh, at the same time?
yeah, in a medium-sized bowl,
Oh my
you're
gosh.
gonna add to your flour a little bit of cinnamon, and then clove, coriander, allspice, and some ground cardamom, ginger. Oh, this is my favorite one. The Italians love to bake with this. This is ground star anise. So this is,
Anise.
smell it, it's licorice.
Oh, it smells so good.
The last holiday spice is a little bit of nutmeg. Then we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda, baking powder, and then don't forget salt. A little
yeah.
salty. Then we're gonna add some ground almond
Oh my
and
God,
our
they were so
minced
good.
candy orange and lemon peels. These cookies have a lot of flavor. So if you were expecting a traditional like gingerbread cookie, be prepared
For more flavor.
for more flavor.
Oh my gosh.
It's more of a spice cookie, but this is kind of where the American gingerbread cookie comes from. This is like the great grandmother.
I love that. Oh my God, old and iconic.
For mixing dry ingredients, I love just hand mixing.
You do?
it. Yeah, and you'll know it's ready when everything looks the same color. Like this, there's no like chunks of like brown spice or white spice. It all looks incorporated. Our dry ingredients are done. We're gonna set them over here, and now we're gonna start with our wet ingredients.
Oh my God, how many ingredients go into this cookie?
Probably the most ingredients I've ever put into a
So
cookie.
many.
There's a reason that this is an old classic.
I'm tired.
The one thing I love about it is you don't need any fancy equipment to make this
Yeah.
recipe. When they were making this recipe back in the day, it was like monks underneath the church making this. They didn't have electricity, you don't need stand mixers, you don't need anything fancy. So now, in
So funny.
a big bowl, we're gonna mix together honey and brown sugar. This cookie's also known as a honey cake because there's a lot of honey. That's the base of it.
That
you
makes
guys.
sense. That would be honey
Sweet
cake.
like honey.
That should be one of your songs. You should do a cooking song.
I would love that.
You know, and then it'd be like sweet like honey. They have
This
honey
is
cake.
good. You get it like kind of incorporated like this, and then we're just gonna pop it in the microwave for just a little bit and really let it melt together. We want that brown sugar to just melt. All right, let's pop it in.
Okay. Smells so good.
That's what it looks like.
Looks like molasses.
Oh yeah, after we popped it out of the microwave. And now we're gonna mix in a little bit of butter. So we've just cubed the butter and we're just gonna incorporate it.
I love how much butter you use. I love it. Okay.
Don't add your bowl.
At least it was you, not me. This is amazing. It melts so quickly. It's already like melting in.
Oh, melted butter, brown sugar, and honey.
I could just eat this. I could pour this over popcorn and eat it.
Okay,
Gosh.
now we have 2 more things to add. I promise only 2 more.
For now.
1 full egg, the yolk and the white, and a little bit of fresh lemon juice. So just keep mixing till it's evenly incorporated, and this is perfect. Everything's melted together, and once it's melted together, just gonna add all your dry ingredients. You just keep mixing until there isn't any more dry flour left.
Oh, really? Oh my
Till
gosh.
it's like,
oh my gosh.
It's all kind of tacky. Trish,
Looks so
you
good.
did it.
Thanks.
You done did it. This smells and looks so good.
What do
We're
we
gonna
do?
have to let the dough rest for 1 hour at room temperature. So I'm gonna try to, oh geez.
Should I scoop it?
Then we're just gonna cover it with a little piece of food safe plastic wrap. You wanna get that side, I'll get this side.
What do you call it? Fousey?
Food safe plastic
Oh, food
wrap.
safe.
And now we just let it rest.
Okay, the hour is up. Are these nice and rested?
Yeah,
Okay.
rested and almost ready to bake. So in front of us, I have a baking sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper. Now, if you're making these at home, you do not need to get these. These are wafers, like edible wafers, because back in the day, the monks would bake the cookie dough on top of communion wafers. We're gonna be putting our dough on top of them. At home, if you don't have them, don't worry. It is a very specific thing. Are you ready?
Yes, I have no idea how to use that thing.
This is a little scooper, a little ice cream scoop. I like it because it makes it a little bit easier to scoop your dough, especially when it's this sticky. But if you don't have a scoop at home, the measurement is about 2 tablespoons. So do a heaping scoop, so you can do a scoop and it can be a little bit coming over the top.
When do I click it?
When you put it on here.
Oh, okay, so just scoop right now.
So just scoop regular
A
now.
heaping scoop.
Yeah, so it's like a big scoop, maybe a little less.
Okay, not that heaping.
That's a very generous scoop. You're a great baker already, very generous baker. And then flip it on here and then click it to kind of release it.
That's so cool.
Perfect. Now this part's really fun. We get to get messy with our hands. Take a little bit of water, put it on your hands, and then we just pat it down. Pat, 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 pat. Don't press it all the way to the edges because it will expand a little bit, just a little, like that.
That
And then
looks so cute.
half of them we're gonna leave blank, and then the other half we're gonna decorate with 3 half-sliced almonds. We just do 3 kind of even, like that, like a little flower.
Okay.
And then the other ones we leave plain, and then we're gonna dip those in chocolate. So if you ever went to like those holiday German markets, these are the 2 ways that you would see this cookie served. Either with the cute little almonds or dipped in chocolate.
I'm so excited.
All right, so now we're just gonna keep doing this and making a bunch of cookies.
Yum.
Now our cookies are ready to bake. You're gonna heat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 12 minutes, which is really fast.
Yeah.
And then we'll be dipping some of these in chocolate and then we can enjoy.
Yeah,
Then we can eat them. Let's get these baking.
All right, they're baked. We gave them time to cool. Now we do a little glaze.
A little chocolate dip. All right,
All
so
right.
for the cookies with the almonds, they get a light glaze. And to make the light glaze super easy, in a little bowl, we have powdered sugar, and then Trish just pour in a little bit of water, and then just a little drop of rum extract. You just mix till it's well incorporated, then you take a little basting brush.
And what do you do?
You
How do
just dip it in there, Trish, and then just paint on the top like an art project.
Okay, do you get it over it or just?
Yeah, like that.
Oh my gosh, this is like the part I'm bad at. I'm just not good at art in
You're
general.
doing great. This
Okay.
is great. This can be messy. It's on a
Okay.
piece of parchment. Who cares?
Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, this does look like a cinnamon roll
Yeah,
or
just
something.
cover the whole thing with glaze.
Wow.
And you're gonna do that for all the almond cookies.
How would you do it as a professional? You can do it as a professional.
Well, let's see. I'm messy though, so
Oh, okay.
it's like I have a lot of experience, but I'm messy.
Yeah.
So not much different.
You lathered it on. I like that.
Oh yeah, I like a lot of glaze. And then you just let it sit, do its thing.
Oh god, that looks amazing.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Okay, you got one more to do.
Okay,
and then on these ones, I'm just gonna heat up. I have a little bit of chocolate bits over here and some coconut oil. You add coconut oil to the chocolate to thin it out, because otherwise it's too thick. A little bit of coconut oil just thins it, and it's easier to dip and drip. Easier to dip and drip.
Yeah, that's, I like that.
Yeah, so you just mix that in. And then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave and just heat it up in increments of like 30 seconds so you don't burn your chocolate. So heat it up, do a little mix. Heat it up, do a little mix. Yeah.
Yum.
Our chocolate is melted, and now we're gonna dip the other half of these cookies. Okay, Trish,
Oh my
you
gosh.
ready to get a little messy?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
So I'm pretty sure these monks got messy too.
Yeah, I'm glad I wear white.
Oh shoot, I'm so sorry. All right, so you're gonna pick up your cookie,
Okay.
hold it like this.
Okay.
And we're just gonna dip it into the melted chocolate, just get the top of it. And it's gonna get your fingers a little, but you're just gonna go deep, deep, deep.
Wow.
Let it drip off.
Oh, you did that so clean.
And just let it drip, 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 drip. Let it drip for a while. Gravity will do its thing. And then you scrape the excess on the side and then just pop it back on the tray.
That was beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay.
Here, let me get this
I'm so
closer to
messy.
you. You got it.
Okay, so just
Do a little dip. And then shake.
Shake it?
Yeah, jiggle. Just jiggle.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Let that excess drip off of there. Boop, 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 boop. I love like chocolate covered oranges and stuff. And so what I think I'm gonna love about this recipe the most is like the fruit with the chocolate.
Oh, that's gonna be really good.
I can't. Okay, one more. Here we go. Boom. Little jiggle.
Wow.
Little jiggle. Diggy, 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 diggy.
So cute.
And then flip it to the side, give it a little jiggle.
Yeah.
And then that one little last, you just scrape it.
Oh, you did it so beautiful.
And boop.
Wow.
All done.
Those are gorgeous.
Last step, we just have to wait about 30 minutes for the glaze to set and the chocolate to harden. If you don't want to wait that long, pro tip, throw it in the refrigerator. It will make them set a lot faster, which I think I'm gonna do. These smell too good. We need to eat.
Yeah.
We need to eat. Ta-da! Here are the traditional Lebkuchen cookies that we made today. A big thank you to Trish for helping me make these.
Thank you for
This
teaching
is
me how to
so
bake.
Sweet
It
of
was
you.
awesome.
I am so proud of you because
Thank
this
you.
was not an easy, like first time baker recipe. Like this was not for beginners.
But it was fun.
There was a lot of steps.
Yeah, but you know what? It was like more simple than you would think actually. Maybe because I had you here, but I was like, wow, I baked a cookie.
Yeah, you did.
Who would have thought?
These are gonna be so delicious. They have lasted throughout the years, time after time after time, because they have so much flavor.
So you know they're good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, we don't know yet, but
Look at the little wafer.
it's so cute. I know. I love that little detail.
Here you go.
Wow.
At first, my tongue tastes all the spices.
Oh really?
All those yummy holly, and then it gets hit with the citrus. And then it has a sweet honey after with the glaze.
It tastes very gingerbready to me though. Like it's an elevated gingerbread. I tasted chocolate first on mine, but now I'm tasting it's like a gingerbread chocolate, which is like amazing.
I gotta taste the chocolate one now too. I'm gonna double fist these. We earned it. Oh wow, yeah. These ones you taste the chocolate first, and then I'm getting the spices and then the citrus. Wow, I love German baked goods. Wow.
It would taste more flavor on this one.
Oh, really good.
Wow.
But I like them just plain with the glaze.
Me too. I'm surprised. I love chocolate.
I like this one even a little bit more, I'd say, because my chocolate, I was a little generous. This is a little thick. You can't taste all these delicious spices.
Yeah, this is actually amazing.
Okay, you guys.
They're both great,
I like
but
these. These are worth it. There's a lot of steps, there's a lot of spices, but yum! I think I might make these every year.
yeah, these are great.
All right, that does it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed 12 days of cookies, day 5. Let's try. She's amazing. Go show her some love. I'm putting all of her links down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We're gonna be doing day 6.
Ooh.
New recipe, a new guest.
Yes.
And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here. And then Trish, you go or up here.
Or up here?
Perfect.
There too.